morning. Welcome to Ainsley News. It's Monday, the 30th of November. Welcome to the week. Today we're talking the Yellen and Powell cash tsunami. Gordon Gecko declared, greed is good, and certainly at the moment, blind greed is going well. Check out the fear and greed index at the moment. Sitting at 92 out of 100. The sheer weight of stimulus money sloshing around the system and the everything's awesome ultra-low VIX, or the volatility index, has seen the third biggest November in history on Wall Street and the biggest 3-week inflow in global shares. This chart shown here too. Record inflow into global stocks. We are now at an all-time extreme confluence of record high valuations and leverage and the easiest and loosest money conditions ever. Another chart here, US stocks versus financial conditions. Conversely, as we reported last week, gold has now dipped below its 200 DMA after further falls on Friday night. This chart here showing gold. And if you look closely at those lines there, you'll see the moving average. Now we've just ducked underneath that there. While silver stayed relatively stronger, dancing around its 50 moving day average. There's that there for silver. Speaking to this divergence, Crescat noted in their recent report, this time there is a major difference in market behaviour, indicating a still early cycle macro environment for gold and silver. Rather than leading to downside in this pullback, silver has been holding up incredibly well. In fact, the silver to gold ratio, or GSR, is only down 1/3 of the move that it had back then. Here's that silver to gold ratio, shown just here. Biden has appointed ex-Fed Chair Janet Yellen as his Treasury Secretary. Yellen is what is known as a dove, or as opposed to opposite of a hawk, and predisposed to loose monetary stimulus as a tool to fix things. She certainly didn't hold back when at the Fed, and it has inherited a record account balance at the Treasury General Account, or TGA, of nearly $1.5 trillion, given no stimulus package could be agreed between the Dems and the Republicans. There's that Treasury cash balance sheet there. 2020 looks very special. Not only is she predisposed towards stimulus, she now has control of the fiscal side of things, whilst Powell controls the central bank side. There is little known law around the debt ceiling next August that says she has to reduce it to $200 billion before then. So in the coming 8 months, where the Fed is anticipating $120 billion per month of QE, which is $1 trillion, Yellen needs to unleash $1.3 trillion of liquidity from the TGA. That this is all happening amid a narrative of everything is awesome clearly must be sounding warning bells of bubbles, unprecedented currency debasement, and an impending inflationary whiplash. As Crescat said in relation to this next shown chart, the price of gold relative to M2 money supply still looks historically attractive, with significant upside likely ahead. Here's that gold versus money supply. Which way will that chart move? Crescat's suggesting we're looking up. The other new monetary asset to benefit from in this currency debasement is Bitcoin, and already it is bouncing strongly off its correction late last week. There's that chart there. Go Bitcoin. Thanks for listening to news. Remember, ainsleyBullion.com.au for all things physical, gold, silver and platinum. ainsleywealth.com.au for everything cryptocurrency. If you're looking at Bitcoin at the moment, jump in there and have a browse. You can buy online, over the phone, or in store with Ainsley. Pretty much exactly the same way you buy our gold and silver, you can buy Bitcoin exactly the same way. And goldsilverstandard.com. If you're after a stable coin in the crypto economy, built and backed by Ainsley, real gold and silver, tokenized asset. Check out goldsilverstandard.com. Enjoy your Monday, everyone, and we'll catch you tomorrow for more news.